Hey guys, today we've got the brand new Huda Beauty Lip Blush Cream Lip and Cheek Stain. I'm excited for this. These look phenomenal. I got picked up 2 colors and I can't wait to try them on and test them out with you guys. There are 5 shades in the collection and I picked up these 2 colors right here. So we've got Peachy Kiss, which is a sheer peach, and this one is Coral Kiss, which again is a sheer coral. I'm going to swatch these guys on the back of my hand. When I swatched all of them in the store, again, you guys can see super sheer. I was actually going to pick up 2 other shades for you, but they honestly just went on so cool toned. It was the rosy one, stunning, and the berry tone, super cool toned, very blue based. I tried that on the back of my hand and I was just like, no. That's just not going to work for my complexion because I do run very cool toned and of course I'm very fair. So that one just wasn't meant for me, but if you have deep skin, those 2 shades were so beautiful. Now this does say it does dry down super fast, so I'm just going to blend these out. Now this is meant for your cheeks and your lips. So pretty. Of course that stains beautifully. The colors are phenomenal, and I'm going to try these on for you guys. Of course, one on this side and one on the other. Let's dive right in. So my biggest tip to you is to have your brushes to blend this out sitting in front of you. This is a lip and cheek stain. Again, that's the key word right there. It will stain. It dries down super fast. That's what it says on the website. It's what it says on the Sephora website as well. So have your brushes in front of you. So today I'm going to be using 2 different brushes. This is an IT Cosmetics brush. This is the CC Skin Perfecting number 702. I love this brush. And then for the other side, I picked up this one. It's more budget friendly. This one is a round buffer brush. This is from Juvia's Place, and this is a J213. These are both super amazing brushes. I love them both for blending out contour or even a cream blush. So I'm just going to take this. We're going to start by doing 2 dots. So right there, that's it. That's all I'm going to do. And we're just going to blend that out using small circular motions. The color is so pretty. Loving that. Now I'm going to go in and do a little bit more. I want to build this up for you guys. Again, dipping back into the product. 1, 2, 3. This time I'm going in with 3 dots. And I'm just buffing that out. Again, my brush is dry. There's no scent to this at all, and that color is phenomenal. Wow, I'm actually super impressed. This is really kind of going with my peach vibe today. But that is pretty. Like, wow. Like, that gives me beach, that gives me bridal, that gives me everything. Like, everything I would want for a nice summer looking blush. Like, that's pretty. So I can't wait to jump into the other color because it's a lot darker. But peach looks good on every skin tone. So, super exciting. Now, for the lips. I'm going to go in, I'm just going to do half. It's going to look a little weird until we get the other side on, then it's going to look really weird. But I want to test this out for you guys. So this is a lip stain as well. So you can go in with your doe foot applicator or swatch this on the back of your hand or on a palette and go in with a lip brush. That's probably how I would do it, but today I'm just going to use the applicator because I want to see how that works. I'm going to start with my bottom lip. This feels very moisturizing. It is cooling. It's a very wet feeling. It's drying down, but it's not giving me like dry lips. It's just a very moisturizing, beautiful finish. And the color is phenomenal. Let's go in with Coral Kiss for the other side. I love the packaging. I love how this feels. It's very pretty. Now, this is it. This looks scary on the wand, but don't be scared. It's fine. So we're going to tap 1 and tap 2. Again, I've got my brush. Alright, so that color is stunning. Like, it's wow. I'm actually really impressed with this product. Like, that's really pretty, and there's definitely a difference. I am going to go in and build that up, so let's add. I'm going to go in with 3 drops. 1, 2, 3. And again, I've got my brush. Small circular motions. Just buffing that out. building up the color. It's very sheer. It is definitely buildable. Now, I have foundation on, clearly, but you could go in and use this no makeup look. It is that sheer. It would give you amazing coverage all day because it is a stain if you were going in with no makeup, say for like a beach kind of a vibe. But this is really pretty. Now, out of the two shades, I like them both. Like, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Like, equally, I like them both. This one is giving me more of a fresh, you know, summer. It's very light, it's very faint. You know, that kind of Georgia peach vibe. This is what that's doing for me. This side is giving me more glam, more evening on a patio. I love it. Like, they're both stunning. But let's do the lip. I really want to see how this looks. So we're just going to go in. Again, I'm just going to apply it to the other side. I love the way this applies. It's so smooth. It's very liquid. You can really draw on an amazing line with this. Love that. And the color is just beautiful. Two different lips, two different blushes, completely monochromatic on either side. Loving both of these shades. I'm actually going to pick up more in the collection because I'm really liking this a lot. And now I'm thinking, would that pink be too cool toned? I'm not sure. I think I'm going to pick up the pink and I will update you guys in the future because I love these. Like, absolutely adore them. I think they're stunning. Let me know in the comments down below what you think of this. I honestly wish that it was okay and safe to use on the eyes because then it would truly give a monochromatic feel to the look. But unfortunately, it's just meant for your cheeks and lips as a stain. But, you know, go in with a little peach eyeshadow like I did right here and this looks stunning. Definitely a vibe. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you guys don't miss when I drop a new video. Now, one of the best blushes I've tried lately, and it's actually one of my top viewed videos as of the month, it is the brand new Armani blush. Check it out right there. If you're into powder blushes, you're gonna love it. Alright guys, until next time, live, love, and lip gloss. Bye!